name is Sharmila Rao and I'm a Bharata Natyam artist and dance teacher. On my YouTube channel, I have lots of videos showing basic dance steps, so-called adabus, and also other exercises which help you improve your posture, your flexibility, and precision in your dance training. I also make tutorials for dances from the classical Bharata Natyam dance repertoire, which teach you step by step a choreography. As a new feature, I offer entire dance classes on video for all ages and all levels. The videos for children teach easy steps and show children how to make fun stories with hand gestures from Bharata Natyam. The warm-up games and exercises prepare the kids for dance and train their body. The instructions are easy to follow and accompanied with fun music. All exercises can be done even with little space around you and you don't need any additional material. If the kids get tired, they can stop the video anytime and continue whenever they want. The classes are divided into 3 age groups: 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 9 years plus. The videos for teenagers and adults include useful exercises to mobilize the specific body parts and to build up strength. Cardiovascular exercises help you to be perfectly prepared for the dances. Easy to follow pre-exercises use simple step and arm movement coordination to help you improve your dance posture and alignment of all limbs. All lessons are structured with care and always close with a stretching session to help you cool down. All videos are available for beginner and advanced level. Are you interested? Please don't hesitate to call or contact me. You can also visit me on YouTube and have a look yourself, or scroll through my Facebook page or website. And by the way, all lessons are available in English or German. Ciao, viel Spaß!